Want a cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank? Do we have the product for you? In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut headlight tint. But what you might not know is that Bogart Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium, higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogarttechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this Kia EV6, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the headlight lens looks before doing the installation. And this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPA properties, which means it'll protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight lens. So we're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're not able to remove all the contaminants from the headlight with just the slip solution, you can also use tack solution, which contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. But if you're able to remove everything with just the slip solution, you should be good with just this. So grab your slip solution, spray it onto the lens, and then with the clean microfiber towel, start removing any contaminants that the headlight may have, and also clean around the surrounding area, just in case if the film does touch the paint, it doesn't catch any contaminants. And if you do need to remove any extra contaminants with the tack solution, you would just spray it onto a clean side of the microfiber towel and just remove that extra contaminant you may still have. And then once you're done with the prep, we can start with the installation. Okay, so once you finish with the prep, we can start with the installation. Apply slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. Place the film onto the headlight. Carefully separate the film in case it does get stuck. Okay, and first we're going to start by lining this curve right here, the curve design right on the edge of the headlight lens right here. So just align it there. So apply tack solution around here. That way we can start tacking down the film and securing it to this section of the headlight. Grab your squeegee, make sure it stays aligned, and tack it down. Something you can use in order to help tack down this area here, in case the weather's too cold, you can apply a little bit of heat. That will help the adhesive activate faster. So right now it's a little secured, but just to help it, just apply a little bit of heat. So to heat up the film, you could use a regular heat gun or a hair dryer and just apply heat around this area. Use the lowest setting, that way we don't accidentally burn the film. Let the heat device warm up a little, and then once it's warm, apply the heat. And this step is just to make sure we secure the tint to this section of the headlight. So now it's more secured, so we should be good to continue on aligning the film and tagging it down. So for this section here, we're just going to make sure we cover the edge up to here. So it's just a light stretch to reach it to the edge right here. So stretch the film just a little bit, hold it in position. You can start applying tack solution to help it tack down. Start from here, work your way down, and then to this section here. And then for this small little curve here, just apply a little bit of heat to help it tack down here. But just secure this entire section first. Okay, now that this section's secured, apply a little bit of heat. That way we help the adhesive activate faster, just like how we did it here. And now move on to the top section here. So with this one, you will notice that we have this design here where it goes straight and then curves down. So this part of the film goes underneath to cover the lower section of the headlight here. So we just need to do also a small little stretch here to reach it to this edge right here. So you can start applying tack solution That way once we do the stretch, it starts tacking down. So stretch it, it's on the edge. Make sure you have material on the bottom. Hold it for a couple seconds and then start from here and tack it down. Tack down this middle section or the face right here. That way it starts tacking down more faster. And to secure the film here, it is still lifting, so you're going to need to apply tack solution with a little bit of heat to help the film start tacking down here and also down here. So let's work on this area first. Apply a little bit of tack solution. Grab your heat device and apply heat. Make sure you apply heat evenly. And then once you apply heat with your squeegee, just start tacking it on top. Make sure to bring all of the solution that's trapped here towards the top. That way we're able to remove it. You don't want any bubbles on the top section once we seal, because then it'll be hard to remove those water bubbles. Okay. And the same steps that we did here on this section, you would just do it on this area here. Since the film is lifting, we need to help it tack down so that way it could sit on the top layer of the headlight here. So just apply a little bit of tack solution, apply heat. That way we help the film tack down to the small curve. And you can also just wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and take it down. Hold it for a couple seconds, just like that, to help the adhesive stay tacked down to the top layer of the headlight here. Okay, so same process like how we did it here, just a small stretch until we reach to the edge here. So just lift the film carefully up until this section here. Since this is where we haven't tacked down yet, grab your tack solution, spray a little bit, place the film down, do a light stretch and tack it down. So stretch and tack down. Hold it for a couple seconds, apply tack solution, grab your squeegee and help it tack down. Make sure you hold it with one hand, that way they start getting secured here. Okay, and if you notice these small fingers on this area or in the top section here, you would apply heat after you stretched and tacked down this section here. Because once you stretch, these will become smaller like this, and then all we need to do is just apply a little bit of tack solution, heat, and then wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee, and then you'll be able to just tack them down like this and it'll look flat. So you would do this after you stretch the film and it's secured on this section here. So we just need to take the installation step by step, that way we're able to secure everything. And then don't forget about securing the curve here. You would do the same thing like how we did it with removing the fingers. Apply tack solution, apply heat, and then tack it down. Okay, and it should look flat like this. And once you finish seating everything, you make sure you remove all the fingers. The last thing to do is to pulse seat the entire film. So the last thing to do once you finish with the installation for the headlight tint is to pulse seat everything. So to pulse seat, you're just going to need your tack solution, spray it onto the entire lens. You're going to need your heat device, that way we help apply heat throughout the entire headlight. This will help the adhesive on the film activate faster, and if there's still any film lifting or if you notice any fingers, this will help those fingers and the film tack down to the headlight. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use a microfiber towel just to help it tank down and remove all the solution around the edges. So take your time applying heat evenly, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the Kia EV6. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Don't forget to check out our other kits for the Kia EV6. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.